Camera's rolling. What's your name?
My name? My real name is Adnan.
And what's the name Eddie's came from?
Because Eddie's, I went to school and everyone started calling Eddie, 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 and it's just stuck by Eddie.
What brought you to open this place, your own corner shop?
I always had my place.
So what did you do before you got this place? Because you told me this is a pretty much new place, right?
This is a new place, very new. Before I was up in Camden Town. I was working in Camden Town for 27 years.
Ooh, that's a long time.
Very long time. I had my own place there, I sold it, and I opened this place after.
What is one of the favorite things you like to cook?
I like to make pizzas. Lahmacun.
Yeah.
Lahmacun is a Turkish pizza, traditional Turkish pizza. And that is a standard way of making pizzas, and not like Italians. But we make a Turkish-based pizza with lamb and vegetables. It's a beautiful taste, and it's a beautiful thing. If you never try it, you have to try it.
Uzun ince bir yoldayım.
Yeah, I'm gonna ask you pizza actually. Margarita's fine.
Of course.
Yeah. Where did you learn? Where did you learn to cook? I'd say.
From my father.
Oh, right.
My father was a chef.
Did you also have a shop?
Yeah, my father had the shop in 1977.
That's good. Nice.
And we learn from them.
Yeah.
We learn from him.
Yorum gündüz gece. Bilmiyorum ne haldayım, gidiyorum gündüz gece, gündüz gece, gündüz gece, gündüz gece.
Don't go too far.
It's a joke.
Make sure it's funny next time.
Make sure we're laughing.
We're not laughing, we're crying.
We'll cry. My brother, your margarita.
You?
I hope you like everything what I'm doing, and I hope to see you again.
Ne haldayım, gidiyorum gündüz gece, gündüz gece, gündüz gece, gündüz gece.